Hi, I'm James, the CMO of Doc Dean's Pools, and welcome to our chemistry testing series. Today, we're talking about how to find your swimming pool's alkalinity levels. If you want to learn more on how to adjust your swimming pool's alkalinity, I recommend you click in the top right-hand corner or in the link in the video description below, and that will take you to the video on exactly how to adjust alkalinity. Now, every great test starts with taking a great sample of water. We use the Taylor Technologies full array test kit here, and one of the most important pieces of kit in this is the comparator right here. I'll talk a little bit more about how to use the comparator once we get inside, but to test your alkalinity, we're going to use this large tube right here. So in order to get the most accurate sample with this comparator, what we're going to have to do is invert the comparator so the opening is on the bottom. You're going to submerge it about 18 inches underwater, or just about to your elbow, and then you're going to flick it back up. It's going to empty the bubbles out, pick it back up, and then you have a nice full vial. And this is how we're going to do all of our testing, regardless of how much water we need in the comparator. Now that you know how to collect a great water sample, let's move inside and I'll show you how to test for alkalinity. Okay, so we've got our water sample. Let's get into testing for the alkalinity. And the first thing we're going to actually have to do is dump out half of the water that's in here. To test the alkalinity, we're going to use the same tube that we test pH in, which is this big one. But for pH, we went down to 44 milliliters on the top line. To test for your alkalinity, we're going to go down to the 25 milliliter mark. So we're going to have to dump that out. Some people will take a finger and dump it in and get the water out. I always recommend taking it and just tipping it out as best as you can into the swimming pool. It can avoid contaminating the test, especially considering we're working with such a small amount of liquid. Now this test is a little bit different to testing for chlorine and pH because you actually need 3 different components, and there's a couple of steps here. So we're going to need reagent number 7, reagent number 8, and reagent number 9. We're actually going to take reagent number 7 first. You're going to take reagent number 7 and put 2 drops into the comparator. 1, 2. Put that cap back on there, and then you're going to actually swirl it to mix. This test, we aren't going to need the rubber caps at all. We aren't going to need to invert it or anything. This is all swirling and mixing. Right, so we've got 2 drops of number 7, and then next is reagent number 8. And for reagent number 8, we're going to put 5 drops in. So let's go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right, and then just like number 7, we're going to take it and swirl it in order to mix. We aren't going to create some kind of violent whirlpool. We just need to swirl it a little bit, get it spinning so that we can get it all mixed in together nice and evenly. The next step, we're actually waiting for a color change. So as you can see here, the liquid is green. We're going to put reagent number 9 in 1 drop at a time until this liquid turns from green to red. So you're going to take reagent number 9 and you're going to have to count each drop while you're swirling it. So let's go here, it's swirling. Let's go 1, 2. You're going to let this dissolve in between each time as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Start to look a little bit pinky here at 9, but it's kind of grey. 10. Okay. So at 10, it's completely changed color to pink. And all you have to do to figure out the alkalinity from there, it took 10 drops, add a 0 to the end. So we know that the alkalinity here is 100, which is right at the bottom end of perfect for what we're looking for in a swimming pool. Ideally, your range of alkalinity is going to be between 100 and 140. If you need to lower it, you're going to use acid. If you're going to increase it, you're going to use sodium bicarbonate. We do have guides on that here on the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information on how to adjust pool chemistry, I have links in the video description to all of the videos where we cover pool chemistry adjustment. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment below, or you can message us on Instagram, Facebook, or notify our office for any help. Thank you guys for watching. I'm James with Doc Dean's Pools, and I'll catch you in the next one.